Pero si Lord nag-iwan ng promise sa atin. Yan. Sabi sa Proverbs 3:1-2, kung meron kayong Bible, and open natin. Sabi dito, "My son, do not forget my teaching, but let your heart keep my commandments. For length of days and years of life worth living, and tranquility and prosperity, this is the fullness of life's blessing, they will add to you." Ito yung blessing ni Lord. Habang nirerema ko po itong pangako na to, yung word na nag-strike sa akin, yung word na tranquility. Galing siya sa root word na tranquil. Hindi lang pala tayo sa isip na inaatake ng worry, di ba? Pati sa spirit natin. At nagre-reflect yan, ha. Tingnan mo, makikita mo kung sino yung tao na, bigat na, nakikita sa kilos yun. Nag-iiba yung character niya. At yun, kasama sa promise ni Lord yung tranquility, yung tranquil, free from agitation of mind or spirit. Sabi ko dito, the word will never run out of worry. Hindi mauubos yung pag-alala. Every day meron yan. Masolve mo yung isa, may bagong pag-alala, meron na naman kinabukasan. They will never run out of worries. It will come in all forms, kahit anong security mo, secularly. Magandang work, malaking income, bahay na maganda, even with our very own families. Worries will find a way to creep in. Kasi yung human security will always be fragile. Lahat ng sinasandalan natin dito sa mundong to, everything that we have, possessions, knowledge natin, yung ano man ang experience natin, lahat yan fragile. Kaya lahat yan, mabubutasan at mabubutasan. Kaya we never run out of worries. That's why we need to find His wisdom every single day. And His wisdom is the best key on finding and experiencing God daily in our lives. At kapag nakita natin si Lord in our daily lives, with God, this is where true security, peace, and rest lies within. So, if naghahanap ka ng kapayapaan, if naghahanap ka ng kapahingahan, kay Lord mo lang siya makikita.